Namaskar दोस्तों. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do your own cleanup at home because this is quarantine times going on. So we can't go to salons. So I decided to do my cleanup by my own. I'm gonna use the normal products which we use in our daily basis. So I think we should start. First of all, I'm just tying my all hairs up. Okay. So the first thing which I'm gonna do, I'm using this Garnier's cleansing water so that I can wash off all the makeup or any dirt, anything is left in my face. So I'm using this cotton pad and just dipping it on my cotton pad like this, and I'm just gonna clean my face. Like so. Done. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna use, I'm going to wash my face with my face wash. So let's wash. Just using it. I think it's done. Let's clean. Great. So the next step in the cleanup process is we are going to give some steam to our face so that it will open the pores and it's gonna give a very nice glow to your face also. But to make sure that you will not overdo the steaming process because at least 15-day gap is important for steaming. So in 15 days you can do steaming only once, not more than that. So let's start the process. So guys, I'm done with my steaming. Don't do like this process more than 10 minutes because I think 10 minutes are more than sufficient. And also, as I told you, don't follow this process. Like place a gap of 15 days minimum. Okay, so the next step in this cleanup process is going to be I'm gonna apply my scrub बिकॉज जो स्टीम है उसने हमारी जो स्किन है सारे पोर्स खोल दिए हैं डर्ट जो है वो सब सॉफ्ट हो गई है सो स्क्रब से नाउ वी आर गोना रिमूव ऑल दैट थिंग्स सो लेट्स स्टार्ट we have to scrub only for 2 to 3 minutes not more than that because इससे ज़्यादा scrubbing it will harm your face so careful Hey guys, so I've just wiped out, just washed my face after applying this scrub. Okay, and you can see, I can see the difference after applying the scrub only. Okay, so the not last actually. So the next step is I'm gonna apply my face pack. Okay, for 15 minutes I'm gonna apply it or until it completely dry. You can use the products of your choice and which are suitable for your skin type. Even you can use homemade products also for scrubbing, as a face pack, for cleanser, as a cleanser. My most of the products are from Biotic actually, because I really like Biotic and it really suits my skin very well. Plus, they are budget friendly, so like so, you have to apply a thick layer. Like so. So it's done, and I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes so that it gets dried out, and then we'll wash it. Okay, so let's wait for 15 minutes. So guys, my face pack is completely dry now, so I'm gonna wash it. So let's wash. Okay, so just washed it. And as you can see, my skin is, looking very nice, healthy, and so I'm using this cleanup from this process, the whole steps. I'm using this from the last 4 5 years. I've never been to a salon for a cleanup or facial from the last 4 5 years, and I'm getting very good results from this cleanup. I used to. Do these cleanups mostly once in a week, but if I have time, then I'll also do this twice in a week, except steaming, of course. Okay, so now after this, I'm going to apply my toner. Yeah. Like so. I think if you are a person like me, just a salon जाना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, or who don't want to spend money on these kind of things, but I think this is a very nice thing you can do. You just need a very few products, or of course of your choice, of your skin type, which I believe you are already using in your daily life, and you can do it by your own. And if you can, continuously do this, then definitely you will get very good results. So I've applied my toner. So I'm done with my toner. The next product which I'm going to use is my face serum. I'm just gonna use 4 drops of the serum. So actually this is a product which I started recently, and I am really in love with this face serums. They really make your skin so nice, so beautiful. So afterwards, I added these serums in my daily uh, skincare, because I really got very good results from these serums. So you can definitely go for a serum as per your skin type and your budget, because I think face serums are very expensive. This one is not very expensive actually. You can find it in my cap. Okay. So I'm done with the serum. Next product which I'm gonna apply is my under eye cream. Very little, very tiny amount I'm using, and just we have to use it like this. Apply it until it gets completely absorbed in the skin. Okay, so I think it's done. Okay, so because I'm doing this cleanup in the time of night, so I'm applying my night cream here. But if you are doing this in the daytime, definitely go for your day cream, or you can go for your moisturizer, and even you can also apply aloe vera gel. Okay, so I'm applying my night cream here, like so. Let's apply a little bit on your neck. Like so. And at last, I'm applying my Vaso Plus Petroleum Jelly from VLCC actually, just to complete my cleanup routine. So guys, it's done. These are all the steps which I follow for doing this cleanup, and I like to do this cleanup twice in a week except steaming, as I told you earlier. And I really got very good results from this cleanup, and I don't need I never felt that I need to go a salon for a cleanup. So you can also try this cleanup at your home, and definitely let me know about the results. Thank you for watching.